Okay. Have you completed your installations and all? Installations, app creations, and like farm handling. Have you understand these topics? Have you done with this? Respond anyone. Please be active so that you can know what is going on in the class. Have you completed the installations, project creations, and have you have an idea like what are the four major commands we use to create the project and all? Have you got an idea like what we'll use to create a project? What commands? Can anyone unmute yourself and answer? Like, what are the four commands we use to create a project? Hmm? Don't know. Okay, then if you didn't join the class before, so you can go through the recording sessions and learn how to do installations and how to do projects and all. Okay, so yesterday we have seen like database connections and also like posting the data. So while doing this, we got an error. So let me explain first onwards. So how to create like how to post the data and how to store in the database. Okay, so let me share the screen. So is my screen visible? Is my screen visible to everyone? Okay, thank you. So let's open our project. So this is our project, right? So first of all, to post the data, we should have one HTML page, and also to open this page, we should have some logics also, right? So that logics will be written in these views and also URLs, right? So to create a table, we'll use these models, right? So first of all, to create a table, we use this models.py. So here I took a table that is named as contact. So I take table name as contact, and in this contact table I have took some fields. Okay, so name, email, subject, and message, mobile, these are the fields in this table. So for name I have took like car field because it has some small length, a name is small length, right? So some maybe have have longer names and all. So for that I have take this car field, and for email I have took email field. For subject also I took car field, and message we can't tell like how will be the message. Sometimes it may be longer and shorter, so I took like text field. So and next coming to the mobile, I took in big integer field because the mobile number is like integers, right? So I took integers field. So this is a format to write that in these models. Okay, this is the format to write in this models.py. This is the table format. Okay, so here I took like class meta db table equal to contact. This is because of without this we'll see like app name underscore contact in the database. By writing this we can see like contact in this database. So here we can see contact table C. So by writing that class meta, we can see like this. If we can't write this class meta, we'll see like our app name underscore contact in this database. Okay, for that purpose we use this class meta. So this is the models. And next what we'll do is we can create a python file that is named as forms. So on by right click on this demo app, and also new and python file, and name as forms.py. Okay, so in these forms we can write a form. So by seeing here, we took models contact, right? So forms also I took contact form, and this is the format, to write the form. Okay, so here model equal to what is our model name contact, and I want the fields like all fields I want from the table contact. So I took forms field size all. So this is the format to write the forms. Okay, so next what we'll do is we should create a html. Okay, and in that html I kept name as contact. So here we should took a form method post, because we are posting the data, right? So that I took the form method as post. And csrf token is mandatory for every html page. Okay, so without this we can't post any data, we'll get an error. So that we'll use this csrf token in every html page. So this is the mandatory. Okay, so next what I took some fields, like the what are these fields means. Here in models we took some fields, right? Name, email, subject, message, mobile. So these fields should be written in this contact page, html page. So see, to post the data, we should have some input boxes, right? To enter the data, we should have some boxes, right? So for that, I use input type, input. Okay. So here, as I told earlier, divs are used to divide the sections. Okay, divide the input boxes. Okay. So here, label means nothing but headings, just to show. Okay, so here, name type I took. Yesterday, I think we wrote some mistakes in this HTML page. So let me see, show here. So today, we'll correct those things. So here, name, I took name type. Name is the text, right? So here, input type we should take text, and name equal to name. Okay. So next, what is our next field? Email, right? So next we should take the email, and we should take input type as email, and name email. And next, subject is also text, right? So text field, here we took email type, because in email we can write some alphabetic number, alphabetic order, and also some integers also we'll use in the emails. And we have one format in email, right? So at the rate gmail.com. So for those all these patterns we'll use email type. Okay, so that it will allow all the patterns. Okay, and next, subject type is text, and message type is no message we are taking, and mobile number. Okay, so we took a submit button here. So this is the format to write the html. Okay, so after this, to open this page, we will use the views. Okay, so views already I have explained. So here we are taking one function name that is called contact, and we are posting the data. So that we used if request dot method equal to post. And here the form is checking, like after posting the data, it goes to contact form, where we have written in the forms.py. Here it will goes and checks. Okay, so checks the like our given data and contact form data. If they match, it goes to valid. Okay, form will goes to valid, form will be valid. So if the form valid, it will be saved. So while it saves, we'll get a message called contact post. So if not, like the given data and contact form data is not matched, then automatically it will goes to the else condition. Okay, it will goes to the else condition and we'll get a message called contact not posted. So this is the format to write the views, okay, for post the data. So this is the views, and as you know already, like we'll write the urls also. So here I took urls, and we should have one link, right, to to open the uh, particular page. So for that, I'll I took here in this contact page. So let's run. This is the format. Understood up to here? So if you have any doubts, please let me know. So up to here, understood, right? How we can post the data. Understood or not? Please respond. If not, I'll explain again. Respond someone. Okay. Okay. So let's run the server. Okay. How will run? Will run like this. So we got like this. Cd space tab temp. So this is the link, right? So we should click on this link. So here our contact link is there, right? So click on this. So see here we got our name, email, subject, message, and mobile. So let me explain what are the difference between these message in input box and these all these input boxes. Can you please explain what is the difference between these boxes and message box? Why it visible like this? Can anyone explain why we got like this? Please unmute yourself. Text fill, right? Very good. So text fill, we use text fill, right? So that we got like this. Okay. So uh, let me post the data. So I'm posting name as ram at the rate gmail.com. Subject test message content. Mobile number, like this. So submit. See, here we got a message like contact posted. Have you seen this message? We got a message, right? Contact posted. So these details will be stored in this our database. So let's check. First, let me refresh the database. So this is our database, right? Demo one. So in this database, we have created one table name, that is contact, right? So contact, and this is the table data, right? So let's refresh here. See, so it is the before's data, and now we have posted these details, right? So here we can see how the data will be stored in the database. Okay, up to here, okay, have you understood? So how will post the data and how will store the data in the database? Have you understood like how we'll post the data and how we'll submit the data and how the data will be stored in the database? Have you understood up to this? If you okay with this, I'll continue next for next topic. Yes, thank you. So let's see, like, so here we are getting our table data here, right? So we are take okay. So from this I want to get the data which is in the table. So this is the table, right? So I want this data. I want to show this data in our front end here. Here I want to see that stored data. So how we'll get that data means, let's see. So first of all, we'll take a HTML that is named as view contact. I'm taking the HTML name as view contact. Okay. So leave it. Next, I will explain how to write the HTML. So first, we'll write the URL. Okay. So path. Here we should write view contact and views dot view contact name equal to view contact. So this is the URL. And next we'll write the views. So first let me write the views. After that I'll explain you. Okay. So def view contact request. Please note each and every point so that you can't get any difficulties. Okay. So content, and next we'll write return render request view contact view contact dot html and in dictionary we'll write our key value and also variable. So this is how we'll write to get the data from the table. How we'll write means this is the format. So first of all, we took a function name that is called view contact, and here I took one variable. Whatever you take, you can take, but I took like con. Okay. So here I took variable as con, and next, uh, just wait a minute. Hmm. So, and from which table we want to get the data? Okay. So that table name should be written here. So from where we are taking the data? From which table we are taking the data? Contact table, right? This is the contact, right? So from here we are taking the data. So uh, here I kept like contact. So this is our table name, right? So I placed here contact. And what is this objects means? Not object. Objects means the total number of data rows in the table. So I want to take the objects like all, or only I want, if I want to take the data like all the data, so then I'll use this objects dot r. If I want to take only one data like only name, here we should keep get and name like this. Get name. So if we want to take a single data, we'll write like this. If we want to take all the data, we'll write like this. So this is the line which we have written. It is used to get the data from the table. So this line is used to get the data from the table. Okay. And next here we are writing return render and our HTML name, and this is nothing but a key value. Okay, to store the data we'll use this key value, and this is nothing but variable. This variable will be written here. So this is the views logic. And next, let's go to the HTML. And here in the table I'm taking one heading like view contacts, and we should take one, we are writing in table format, right? So we should take table. Okay, and one head, table head, and table row, and table headings. These are table head mean headings. So what are the headings? We have name we have, and also email we have, subject, message, and also mobile. So these are the headings we have in the table, right? So I took like this. So this is the format to write the like table data. First we'll take one table head, table tag, and table head tag, and table row tag, and also we'll write the table headers here. Okay, just close the tags here. Okay, so this is the first, this is the headings we have to. So for this we have written our urls and all, right? So to open that link we have to write a link, right? So in this index.html, so I'm taking here view contact, view contact. Let's run the server. Just see here we got view contact in the index page, right? So let's open this page. We got just headings, right? So here we written only headings in this view contact. See, These are only headings. So here, see what we have got. Only headings we got, right? So now what we'll do is, let's retrieve the data. Okay. So now how we'll retrieve means, let's go to the code in views. Please remember this key value con. Okay. So from this con only we will retrieve all the data. Okay. So we should see all the contact fields. Okay. So for that we have to use. So please remember this key value, and let's go to the view contact page. Here, take a table body here. We'll write in this body, okay? In the table body. Just a minute. In this table body, we'll write the data. How we'll retrieve the data, we'll write here. So, hmm, so from this key value, we'll retrieve all the data, right? So we should see all the contact fields. No, for that we have to use for loop here. So to get all the data, we'll use for loop. For x in, what is the key value we have to we have con, right? So we have to take that con here. Next we should take the table row and table data. So we are writing data, right? So how we'll get the data means by writing in curly brackets, double curly brackets, we'll get the data. Okay. So here what we took variable x, right? So place this x here, x dot, and what is our model's field name, right? Name first. So we should take x dot name. Okay. Here we should take the model names. In model we gave name small letter, right? So here also we should give exact name. Okay, exact letters. We should not give like capital letters here. Uh, Here in these headers, whatever it is our wish. Okay, so whatever we can give like name, small letters or else capital letters, but here it is mandatory to give like same as models. Okay, so here we gave small letters, right, for name. So here also we should give small letter. Okay. So next data what we'll have, email, right? Email and subject, message, mobile, So this is the way to write the to get the data. So let's see what we'll get. We'll get the data, or else we'll get any errors. Let's see. Yes. Here we got an error. What is this error? Can you find anyone? Unclosed tag on line 20 for looking for one of empty and 4. Have you got an idea about this? What is the error? తెలుసా ఎవరికైనా ఈ ఎర్రర్ ఏంటనేది? Can anyone explain what is the error we have got? Why we got this error? See here. So why we got here the error means we use the for loop, right? So after using the for loop, we didn't close the for loop, right? So it is mandatory while using the for loop, we should close the for loop. So so that we got the error. Okay, so we should close the for loop here and so let's run again. Here we should not give space. See, here we got the data here. See, we got the table data which are stored here. That data will be visible here. So, okay, we up to here, okay. So if we keep a border lines, it looks good, right? So if we create one table format, it will be good, right? To look to see. So for that, what we'll use means here. Let's go to the code and in this view contact page. Here we have table, right? So here we should take cell spacing equal to 2. And border I'm taking 1. So let's see what we'll find. See, we got a table format. It will be look to see, right? So by giving these borders and all. So this is the way to post the data and also to get the data from the database. Okay, have you understood up to here? So this is the today's class. So how we'll post the data and how we'll get the data. So these are the logics to post and get the data. Okay, have you understood up to this? How we'll post the data and how we'll get the data from the database? If you have any questions, please let me know. Hello. Please answer anyone. Please respond anyone. Have you understood up to this, or else if you have any doubts, please raise the questions. I'll answer for your questions. Please let me know what is the status. Have you understood or not? Have you understood? Are you listening the class? No one are responding. Okay, Sahiti. And next, among the Sahiti, no one are responding. Can you please respond? Chetan, what is the status? Have you understood? Sandhya, Manisha, Devi Varaprasad. So, have you understood today's class? How we'll post the data and how we'll get the data? Okay, Chetan, thank you. So, if you have any difficulties, if you get any difficulties, please go through the video recording. Okay, so we'll post this today's recording tomorrow morning. So, in your group, so please be active in your groups for more details. Okay, so okay then, thank you. Bye.